Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. Today I want to introduce the newest SAVOX dynamic testing machine for you guys. So here you can put two servo and spec to show to the people that you can touch the servo. And then you have a two channel to test your servo. So they have a plug-in here. And you can test the vibration. And this one is testing the temperature. So you have a two channel, you can put different kind of servo to compare. And you can also put a flag of a SAVOX. So first is the voltage. You can adjust in your voltage in here. The second is a current. So when your servo working, you will show your current. And then the temperature. The last is a vibration. So here it's adjusting. So this one is a manual. You can turn your servo by hand. And this one is working. And also you can adjust in your speed. Now it's a fast. Slower. There's a SAVOX dynamic testing machine. So we will pass this test machine to most of SAVOX distributor who will go to the trade show or event. They can show to all the customer. And then you can test the new SAVOX servo and the old version, or you can test other brands servo with the SAVOX servo. We will do the disassembling and then we'll assembling for you guys. So the testing machine can use in 110 volts up to 220 volts. So probably you can plug any plug around the world. So I will do the disassembling. That's it. So the test machine is contain the controller, foot, and mounting press. Okay, so I will do the assembling for the testing machine. And then Okay, this is our testing machine.